I built a twin size mattress foundation or box spring for my son. We wanted it pretty simple, so this isn't complicated. So I bought 8 boards, construction studs, 8-footers, to do this whole project. Take 2 of the 8-footers and cut both of those down to 75 inches. Those will be your long sides of the bed. And it'll leave you with 2 extra chunks that are 21 inches. We'll use those later for the legs. You're going to take the 6 8-foot 2x4's and cut them to where you have a total of 12 36-inch boards. And it will also leave 6 of 24-inch extra boards. Set them aside. We'll use them later for the legs. I pocket hole drilled at both ends of all 12 36-inch boards. Take the 2 boards that are 75 inches, that are the long sides, and 2 of the 36-inch boards. Screw the 36-inch boards to the long boards at each end. I used the corner clamps, and they were very helpful to keep it nice and squared. So now you have the outer frame. Then laid the other 10 36-inch boards out and screwed them in place. The 8 extra 2x4's, measure and cut all of them to 18 inches. We needed space for storage underneath, so I built it with a little bit higher legs to raise the bed up. Then I screwed 2 together to double the size of the legs. And did this to the rest of them. So you should have 4 legs when you're done. And attach the legs at the 4 corners. Finally had a nice day with no rain to paint it. I used flat black spray paint. I already had the flat black, otherwise I would have just bought black satin. It took about 2.5 cans. Then when that was dry, I used a clear satin finish. I wanted that for a little bit extra durability. The total cost was under $50. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. My son loves it with his green and black comforter set. I do too. Enjoy your day.